Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on a full tutorial of how I achieved this hair color. In the future, I will have the makeup tutorial that matches this, but in the meantime, let's just talk about the products that I used. I used this Color Intensity. It was a sample pack in purple. It's just for depositing color. So I did dilute it with conditioner because I just wanted to get the most use out of it possible, and I strictly put it to the roots. I don't have anything bad to say about this product. I think I just didn't use it correctly. I believe that it's just for freshening up color or something to do in between color services, but it did not work to change her color to purple. So pretty much everything I'm showing you in the beginning didn't actually work, and then at the end I will show you guys what actually did work. So the next thing that I did was I put some of the colored deposit stuff on the ends, which was in titanium. Again, nothing bad to say about the product. I just don't think I used it correctly. I get very weird and out of my element when I'm not in my wheelhouse of natural colors using L'Oreal Professionnel, and sometimes I just don't think correctly. So this was kind of all just a learning process for me, and I don't believe that these color butters or these, color refresheners are good to actually color the hair. They're just good to freshen up the color. So for me, it just didn't work for what I needed it for. But again, um, nothing bad about the product. So then after I had it completely in her hair, I did let it process for quite a while because I was like, you know what, I did dilute this with conditioner, so let's just let this process. So at the sink, I realized that it just wasn't doing what it was supposed to be doing. Her hair was still pink underneath, and there just wasn't any purple or even titanium purple grayish color to be seen. So what I did was I went back to the color wheel and I thought, stop thinking as this as a creative color or stop thinking of this as fashion color and just go back to the basics. So I grabbed my L'Oreal blue color and I put it on the pink because we all know that pink and blue make purple, and that is the color that we wanted. So that is how I got this look. So pretty much all I did was go back to the color wheel, back to color 101, what we learned when we're in like kindergarten, and that is if you have pink but you want purple, you add blue. So that is how I got this color. On the roots of her hair, I did not dilute it. I put the blue straight on, but on the ends, I kind of did more of a shampoo wash of color with the blue just because I didn't want it to be as purple. I literally couldn't be happier with the results, and as I said, I'll have a whole makeup tutorial on this makeup look in the future. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.